Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with some reality TV updates. Yes, the Real Housewives of Durban coming back very soon. Now, this is a post that I saw of the people definitely coming back this season. So it says it was posted by Jabulani McDonald's, and he says returning cast members for the Real Housewives of Durban season 5. The first one is Nonku Williams. All right, we are all excited for the return of Nonku Williams because we want Nonku to make us understand where did she meet her husband? When did she meet her husband? And then how long were they in courtship for until they tied the knot? And then also Sorisha Naidu is coming back. Guys, I don't know. Do you think Ugutu Sorisha still has something to offer us? Like, does Ugo still have something to offer us? Or she is coming back because she is the one with the most bag, with the bigger bag? I don't know. Then Jojo Robinson is also coming back. Honestly, I did not think Ugutu Ujojo will come back. Considering ukuthi uJojo unenhliziyo encane, considering ukuthi uGirl like just explicitly said this whole thing is toxic for her, and she's got enough money to stay home, she does not necessarily need this. But here she is coming back. Also, Angel Ndlela is coming back. Angel is coming back, guys. What is she going to offer us? I'm not sure. I hope that the storyline will not go around her fertility issues and yes, they might touch there and there, but may they not make it the center of who she is on the current season that is coming. But yeah, I am excited. I'll be definitely watching it. I hope I'll be able to have enough time to come and just give my review, my feedback on what I have seen and what you think about it. Please do like, share and subscribe. This is your girl Disability. I love you. Peace. Bye.